So we're standing outside of an apartment building in Minnesota here. It's just over 100 units. My name is Patrick Schwapok. I'm a territory manager here for Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the Dakotas. We're working with a contractor that is an Uponor customer on the PEX side. They've used Uponor for the in-suite piping and for unit risers on past projects, but they've always done copper water mains instead of CPVC or another material. On this project, we used Uponor PP-RCT for the water mains in the basement parking garage, and then transitioned to PEX for the unit risers. So we're going to see hot and cold domestic water main and PP-RCT. That's going to immediately convert to Uponor PEX for the unit risers. Those risers are going to go up to 3 stories of the building that you see behind me, and then branching off and using multi-port tees for the in-suite piping with Uponor PEX. So this contractor has used copper for the majority of his projects in the past for his water mains, either press or sweat copper. He's been brazing the 4-inch and pulling tees. We were able to save him a significant amount of money on the upfront cost on the materials by switching to Uponor PP-RCT while still providing him with a strong fusion welded product that he was confident in lasting the pressure and the life of the building. The other thing that we were able to help out with was the installation time. Comparing to brazing the copper and pulling tees, the installation of Uponor PP-RCT was significantly faster than those techniques with copper.
My name is Brock Johnson. I'm a portfolio application manager at Uponor.
With the 25-year warranty on Uponor PP-RCT as well as Uponor PEX-a and ProPEX fittings,
that total polymer solution is something that we think is a big benefit of the Uponor offering. We spoke to a contractor. They were doing 4-inch and down socket fusion PP-RCT. They talked about the training process. They completed their online modules for the training in a few hours in the morning, and then we came in and trained them in the afternoon, and it was a 1-day training. The process went very smooth, and they're doing a great job installing socket fused PP-RCT.
This is the main water meter room, and this is where we come out with our 4-inch main pipe right here. So this is our main feed right here. And this 4-inch then runs, you can follow it, but it runs all the way down to the other mechanical room. And then this hot and cold are actually working this way. So the 4-inch is running that way, and this red and blue for the hot and cold are coming this direction. But basically we just have 1.5-inch branches for pretty much every stack of 3 units. It's around 200 feet this way and around 300 feet the other direction, approximately. This is our hard water coming in. And then the 2 smaller lines that are PEX is the Silcock line and then a recirc line. So this is where it turns. This main feed then goes into the mechanical room right over here. And this one is where like the softener and the water heaters and everything will be. And then we haven't punched out yet, but that's the hot and cold one that we're working that way will be coming out of this room as well.